Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here. There are things that really agitate me, and one of them are the deer. I don't like them. I'm gonna have to get the crossbow out or something, but they are literally and were literally destroying every flower and every plant that we have here. Let me show you what I did, and watch how sensitive these things are. All right, you can see the planters on the sidewalk up there, and it doesn't matter how slow you move. There's one going off right there. And then this one over here, if they try to come up here. So when one goes off, it sets the others off, and I did that purposely. And the reason I had to do it up here is because these Rios, these plants that are right here, the deer were chiseling them off. There was not a flower on them after the deer got a hold of them. There, you can set them for day, night, always, off, and you can even water your lawn with them. There's a 30-minute water cycle on them. Julio, tell them where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez, Reddington, Jorge Johnson.